Just another rainy day in London. Look at this little guy. He's just out there chilling in the rain. Oh, buddy. Pigeon progress. He's still there. It's raining so much harder now. Buddy, why do you not go find shelter? I'm about to warm up so that I can start recording for my work job, singing job. And I thought that I would record myself and share some of the clips with you, so enjoy! Time to do some singing, time to do some singing, time to do some singing. To the dark, hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Don't do it for me anymore, my waterfalls. Can I ignore the sound of distant drumming? I look once more, just around the river bend, beyond the shore, somewhere past the sea, don't know what for. Why do all my dreams extend just around the river bend? Hopefully you have enjoyed that little musical interlude. I think I've sung my heart and my vocal cords out, and they're getting a little bit tired, so I'm gonna stop now. Goodbye! Hello, friend. How's it going? Hey. Hey, pretty kitty. Hey, where you going? Hi. So fucking loud. Okay, bye. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I finally tried this liquid smoke that I bought a while ago. I just turned this veggie soy mince basically into like bacon bits because I added I added the liquid smoke, and now it tastes like bacon. It's, it's amazing. It is unbelievable. Look at that rainbow. Oh my God. It's so nice and fresh out. That nice crisp freshness after it rains. Ah, it's good to be outside in the fresh air. Good morning, London. This is Creepy, who has a bit of a staring problem. Loves to stare. Oh, look, it's raining. Oh, wait. Actually, it's snowing. So weird. Well, it's March in London, and we're having a snowstorm, which is seriously fucked up. Ugh. Jeez. No. Nope, I'm not having this. Not having it. Okay, it's a lot calmer back here, but still a snowstorm that no one wants. It's actually sticking to the ground. What is happening? Still snowing. Oh, hello, snow. Why are you here? So apparently it's winter again. So Celeste and I are on our way to a clothing swap. We have to walk 20 minutes to get there, and it stopped snowing, thankfully, but it's windy and cold as fuck. This is brutal. Look who's back. Look who's back. It's the pigeons. Oh my God, I love them. Pigeon watch is the new kitty watch because the cats just don't come around my yard all that much anymore. But look at these tufty guys. Oh, first they're out there in the rain. Now they're out there in the snow. Well, at least it stopped snowing, but still. Hi, friends. You are so cute and fluffy. Come inside. Do you want to come inside? It's nice and warm in here. I'll make you some food. We can chill out. We can watch a movie maybe. Pigeon watch. Sunday edition. The pigeons are still here. Just chilling. Creepy cat in the snow. Be creeping. Hi. Don't be creepy. Come be a friend. That head popping up though. Oh, creepy. Oh, where are you going?